Hello and welcome back to The Mood. Today we are going into a deep insight of the crypto called Luna. I'm an advocate of Luna since the first day I started telling people right here. If you go on my channel, if you watch my first videos, I've been telling on the 28th of February to buy Luna right at this level, and I was just expecting this spike here to do a nice trade here from here to there, which is already like how many percent? 20%, 30%, right? And who's been holding it since that date is actually in a huge profit, guys. That was a great opportunity. Now the question is, if you're watching this video, is it gonna last, and for how long? And that's what we are going to try to answer on this very same video. So please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to have more information about Luna and other cryptos and other opportunities. I'm also giving you a follow-up every day on my Twitter account. So what's going on with Luna? This morning I just told you guys to buy it in this same area. I'm actually exiting this trade because I'm a little bit lacking of confidence for the price action today. I mean, Bitcoin is going sideways, and Bitcoin, as everybody knows, is driving all the prices up or down. That's the king, and how intraday action is gonna occur. So right now I see like Luna is a bit exhausting the power. We can see that this trend line here is going to put a big resistance here, and we have our parabolic ascension that is marked here by this pink line. So I would not be surprised if at some point we go back there. RSI is actually quite high, so if you catch this video right at that moment, make sure you use a green stop loss, a stop loss in your profit if you started trading it here, because you might actually see a little bit of a pullback coming in the very few hours from now. But maybe tonight the uptrend will resume. For now I just see a little bit of that we might get stuck in this area, in the 18.89 area. But what about the main trend? That's what we are going to check right now. So as you can see, we are in a parabolic uptrend, which is already a very nice thing to see. This is not accurate anymore. Let me remove it. All right. What I see that we got some steam here. The fear is high enough to push the price action a little bit upper on the 4-hour time frame. MACD is still bearish, but it's gonna cross at some point. We saw that here we got a lot of bearish divergence here on the RSI, so that might indicate that we're gonna have a move down for the coming days, whatever happens in the other crypto realm. So I would start being cautious if you have some gains here, and maybe try to save some of your profits. Overall RSI is ranging here in the middle. I think that's not completely reloaded. We need to wait that RSI goes down to this area before we start buying again massively. On the weekly chart, on the daily chart, sorry. So this crypto is super new and we don't have much data. But there is a major warning sign here. We got a top, a red top here with a super big bearish divergence here, and that's actually a big bearish sign for me. But I feel like we find that also in other cryptos. I'm not sure. No, Bitcoin doesn't have it. Ethereum doesn't have it. That's what Rune has, a little bit of it. Okay, so be cautious. Be cautious. If you made some profit since here when I did my first call, make sure you lock them, because now we might have a little bit of a descending phase, and if I can, I'm gonna try to figure it out right now. Yeah, and here we see that even the MACD is starting to bend, so that's not such a great sign, guys. I know this is nice to see cryptos pumping like that all the time, and that was actually a beautiful opportunity, an immense opportunity, but sooner or later something is gonna happen here. So if I draw on the daily time frame, what I would see, it's something like that, and then at that point when we reach back 15, we will have to decide if we have enough, if the RSI did reset enough to buy it again. But what can happen if RSI is still arrived just in the middle here is that we might go as low as $10, guys. So be extra careful if you're trading Luna right now. That was my call for today. If you need other insight on other cryptos, please make sure you leave in the comments below which crypto you want me to check out. Make sure you subscribe to this channel so you can check my intraday everyday analysis. Alright, subscribe here, subscribe to my Twitter account, and guys, until tomorrow, until the next video, I wish you a very, very good and safe day, and don't forget to lock your profit. Have a great day. Bye.